Hello, and thank you for joining me. Today we're going to make two separate projects. The first project we're going to make, we're going to use one of the wire fencing. And what we're going to do with the wire fencing is bend the last square of the wire to make it like an L shape. Kind of even it out just to make it look be balanced. The stakes that are supposed to go into the ground, we're going to pull up like that. And then we're going to set this aside and get the plastic fencing from Dollar Tree and cut that in half. Don't disregard the bottom part, because what we're going to do with the bottom part of this fence is cut it in little sections and decorate with it. So you cut the plastic fencing. And with both of these projects, be generous with the glue, the hot glue, and the E6000 or Fix-All, whichever you choose to use. Right here, what I'm doing is just bending the last two sections of the plastic fencing just to make it easier for us to bend when needed. Once you adjust and figure out where you like the fencing to be in front, just put a little bit of hot glue on the wire fencing just to secure it while you add the E6000. And with both of these projects, again, just be very generous with the hot glue and the E6000. And you'll see that I used some wiring, garden wire, to secure some of it and tighten some of these sections, just so it can have that extra security and it wouldn't fall apart while the glue was drying. Like right here, for instance, I couldn't bend it and it stay without, popping out. So what I did was I added the wiring, just so it can have time. I added a few pictures of both of these projects that we're doing today, with different areas in my home, just to give you ideas that the projects we make, I try to use them in different areas, or for them to have multi-purposes, because if not, where would I put everything? But yeah, just to let you know that there's a lot of different ways you can use one project. It doesn't always have to be just the way we show you guys. And here's where I cut the bottom fencing in little sections and just played with it until I got a design that I like. And there you go. I let that dry for a few hours, then I took it outside and spray painted it black. I just spray painted it black because I wanted it to be all one color, because the fencing that I had purchased was the lighter black, the grayish black. And here's some pictures of where you can place it in your home. And if you can, and you think of other ways you can use this, tag me on Instagram and I'll share my Instagram name at the bottom. This is the second project. Again, we're going to cut the plastic fencing in half. And we're also going to use the large wire wreath. And we're only going to need 2 of the rings from the wreath. Going to cut the larger ring, and we just need the 2 larger rings from this wreath. I can see this. I spray painted this project gold, but I can really see it, and I wish I had the pastel pink. I would have loved to have painted it pastel pink, but I just used what I had at home. Again, if you guys make this project, please post me or tag me and let me know. I'd love to see you guys, the way you guys do these things, the ideas you guys come up with. Again, you just add some E6000 or Fix-All glue and hot glue once you like and you know where you're going to place it at. And then I put twisted wiring to the last 2 hoops just so it can have time to dry. And then I spray painted it. Like I said, I spray painted this project gold. And if you enjoyed what you saw today, please subscribe, like, and share. Leave me a comment if you have any questions or any ideas or projects you'd like for me to make. Thank you guys for watching, and be blessed. Goodbye.